Buongiorno a tutti, my name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you through the Roseto Valfortore Cultural Center Cookbook. Today we will be baking ciambellone soffice all'arance from the kitchen of Maria Cacciacarro, also known as Nonna Mia. For this recipe, you will need sugar, flour, Lievito, which is Italian for baking powder, eggs, 2 oranges, and vegetable oil. This recipe is perfect for if you're having some last-minute guests and you want to throw together an easy dessert. You can top it with whipped cream, with fruit, and the flavors in the cake are unbelievable. For the first step, you will want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. For the next step, you're going to mix your eggs and your sugar together until they're foamy. For the next step, you're going to take your 2 oranges and you're going to juice them and take the zest from that, and you're going to mix that in addition to the oil with your eggs and your sugar. And last but not least, you're going to add your Lievito and your flour to the rest of the mixture. Once everything's mixed together, you're going to grease some flour around pan and you're going to pour the batter inside. At that point, you're also going to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Once your cake is cooled, you can top it with confectioner's sugar, or you can just enjoy it as it is, maybe with a little whipped cream on the top or fruit on the side. And now it's time for the taste test. I have my cake here topped with some Cool Whip and a strawberry. So we'll see how the cake tastes. It looks very moist and delicious though. Wow, the flavors are very, very nice. Let me take another piece. Very orangey, which I love. And with all the citrus zest and the juice, you can taste the orange. It's a perfect orange sponge cake. I'm enjoying my sponge cake with a cup of espresso. For those of you who want to try this recipe, the recipe can be found in the description box below. As well, check out my Instagram page at A Taste of Roseto Valfortore, where you will find behind-the-scenes photos and video footage. Join me on my culinary adventure. Like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you've tried this recipe. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, buon appetito. Okay, next skip. Stop that. Measure out your vegetable oil. I can't talk now. Okay, do it again. The neighbor dog just wants to have one word in the video.